Hello and happy Saturday. Welcome to New Age Custom Farming. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. We are a custom farming operation in Wisconsin, and we also tractor pull. And today is our first tractor pull of the season, except for it's raining. Like I said, this is our first it's our first outdoor tractor pull of the season. We pulled indoors at Shipshewana with our Limited Pro, and then indoors at Louisville with our Pro Stock. And then today is our first pull of the outdoor season with our Limited Pro Stock, which is called Thunderclutch. The boys have been working on it, revamping it a little bit, and we're going to see a whole unveiling of the new look of Thunderclutch in a little bit, hopefully once it stops raining. This is actually our hometown pull, which is really convenient for us. Literally, I just have to drive down the road and I'm right there. So perfect. I am heading up to the tractor pull grounds right now because I help with registration and stuff with Badger State Tractor Pullers, which is the organization we pull with. So I'm heading there now to get things going, and then we'll get clips of the boys rolling in, unloading, all the things. So stay tuned. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we're pulling tonight. This is what happens when you farm just down the road from the pulling track and you're trying to avoid the mud. Hi, Reggie. I got lots of wood chips here. Trying to make it so that they don't wreck the parking here.
Hey, he's talking about, I'm just going to give another hole. He's talking about your...
This is what track prep looks like. So they're scraping the top layer off. This is McFarland's. They're in town here, an implement dealer. They're really good sponsors of our local FFA chapter and stuff. And so they're using one of the Fendt tractors to pull Greg and the scraper down to scrape the first layer off.
I want it on this side, Avery. If possible. Just on time.
Oh, okay.
No standing around this way.
What are you doing?
putting this line back on so our water injection turns on.
That seems rather important.
It is. It's very important. It's TIT tight.
Can you give us a tour of the new look? Because you were like all secretive about it and it looks the same to me. Jeez Louise, mate.
Looks the same?
Looks the same to me.
This doesn't look all different.
Oh, that's different.
Hood tips forward now. Didn't used to do that. Come on.
You know, I
We all
don't
have your budget, okay?
Mason's out here stressing.
The hood's kind of got a mind of its own. We gotta sort that out.
Okay, give us a. Did you film anything today? Then give us a play-by-play of what happened because you were supposed to film and you didn't. So
We had to build that whole pipe.
this whole pipe.
Yeah, this one here. Well, some of the elbows are still, the silver stuff is still from our old setup, but then we put this oil filter on. We did that the other day. We'll have to give a whole tour. I am the shop.
You guys were clearly a bit rushed.
Yeah. We didn't have any time.
Yeah.
Seems to be good now, though.
Mason, what are your thoughts?
Don't have any.
You have a monkey in your brain with a little symbol?
Barely. He's only got one symbol. He just beats it off his forehead. He's trying to be chummy. Here we go.
Avery is pulling up. We'll see how this goes considering they just put it together this afternoon. Been pretty rainy here and misty all afternoon, but the track's holding up, so.
All right, Avery. The Thunderclutch, the boys, they just got that search happening. Haley last night at 10 o'clock. They got it all dusted up already. They won the Midwest Winter Nationals in Shipshewana, Indiana back in January. They said, okay, we got the tractor runners, but now we want to make it 30 too. And kids are like, I haven't painted it in 25 years. So they're getting it all dusty up. They're going to look as good as it was.
Well, that was disappointing. Great first pull. The tow-off tractor just got out there, but they've been looking it over. Jesus.
Okay, I'll tell him.
It's not your fault, it's Emily's fault.
I know.
Hey! Boy! We got the next generation of pullers helping this guy out. Nice and easy, guys. Are you in four-wheel drive? Okay. Okay, tell us what, well, you're doing this, tell us quickly.
This injector line, and we've got some in the bag right now. We're going to try and get it on the bolt.
Oh, I did not know that was happening. Look behind you. Where's your phone at? Where's your phone at? Can I take it in case I run out of memory? Avery. I know you. What do you think? Hey! You two both go take a leak. Alright, they put the new line in, they're gonna give it a go, but it's starting to rain even more. So hopefully it doesn't rain anymore and we can at least get the class done, get them down the track. Alright, we're giving it a go again. Avery is out, backing in. We'll see how it goes with that quick fix that they just did. And the fact that they cooled it down. And it's pretty wet out still.
When Avery took off down there, you see the tires steam up. That's just spinning so hard that moisture on top of the track just started just turning into steam. And so it's getting slick out there. And he was unable to get hooked up at all. It's 280.57, 280.570. It's a toe-off for him, and he probably might as well just kept his first run. I don't think this is going to be much better. He goes a lot further down the track. We got 466 hot farms yet to run, folks. One more class. We're going to try to get through here. Yeah, Avery, he just down.
Something still just does not sound right. Something is going on. Gonna need another toe off. That just did not sound right at all. At least this toe off starts from a lot further down the track.
I think the rain hurt us a little bit.
I think so.
A little greasy.
Hey, at least you made it further. It's just beautiful pulling weather. At least we made it down the track almost. I mean, technically it's like a full pull because we made it to the end, but definitely probably like the bottom of the leaderboard. That's okay. That's okay. That's pulling. It is what it is, like Greggy says. First cheese curd review of the 2024 pulling season. This is our hometown pull, advertising for the dairy breakfast that's next week, so we obviously had to do this in front of the cow. Let's give her a go.
We're good.
8 out of 10.
I love the saltiness of it.
What was it?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? 183. Pretty good.
I'm going 7.9, but I love the saltiness of it. Good batter,
Not too greasy.
not too greasy.
He's going back for seconds. Me too.
All right, that's it for the Sauk Prairie FFA Spring Fling Tractor Pull Cheese Curd Review. Well, I'll film Avery when he is attempting to get out of here at the semi in case he gets stuck and something cool happens. But regardless if it does or doesn't happen, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for supporting our page and everything that we do. And we have lots more tractor pulls to come this season, so stay tuned for some great pulling action to come. Do you have any final words for yourself?
Nope. Not really. A lot of gas. It's been a long week.
Yeah.
I might go to bed when the sun's still out. It's not dark yet.
Give a rundown of how busy your week has been.
Chopped a few thousand acres of hay. Sprayed a few thousand acres. Fixed a lot of stuff.
Drove a lot of miles.
Built a pulling tractor. Kinda.
Busy week.
Yep.
That's basically what our channel is just us having crazy busy weeks. So if you enjoy watching us farmers run our heads off, you're in the right spot.
Click subscribe.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Well, he got out no problem. I guess he is backing into where it's deep mud, but I don't think he'll have an issue. Comment below if you think we should probably fix the color aesthetics of this pulling rig. I think we should. I want the blue and the white on the trailer too.